Is a girl with a boyfriend before marriage a prostitute? That question itself exposes how deeply some outdated patriarchal codes still sit in parts of Indian society and beyond. Because having a consensual relationship before marriage is a matter of personal choice and autonomy. It has nothing to do with morality labels that reduce women to derogatory terms. Yet, time and again, we see how social judgments disproportionately targets women for their relationships, while similar scrutiny is rarely applied to men. Hello and welcome, I'm Harshita Pratap Singh. In India, this debate is not just theoretical, it is tied to real consequences of control, stigma and violence. Recently, a dowry death case involving Pisha Sharma has once again triggered national outrage and reflection on how women are treated within marriage structures. Reports around the case have highlighted disturbing allegations of harassment and dowry-related pressure. And during public discourse and media bites, claims have also surfaced that derogatory language, such as prostitute and sex worker, was allegedly used by the mother-in-law of the victim. These alleged remarks have intensified anger over how women are dehumanized even in moments of tragedy. Meanwhile, activists argue this is not an isolated incident, but part of a wider social mindset. A mindset where a woman's dignity is often judged through her relationships, her sexuality, and her obedience within family structures. This is where the so-called patriarchal code becomes visible. It draws a false line between respectable and disgraced women based on sexual history while ignoring consent, context, and equality. Legal experts also point out that Indian law does not criminalize consensual relationships between adults. So socially imposed labels like prostitute in such contexts are not just offensive, they are misleading and reinforce stigma that can have real psychological and social consequences. Furthermore, the dowry system continues to remain a critical issue. Despite decades of legal prohibition, cases like Pisha Sharma's highlight how women can still face coercion, humiliation, and in extreme cases, fatal violence within marital homes. So, when we ask whether a girl with a boyfriend before marriage is a prostitute, the real question should be asking is this: why does society still police women's choices while excusing the structures that harm them? Because decoding patriarchy is not about defending behavior. It is about defending consent, dignity, and equal standards for all genders. And until those standards are applied consistently, these outdated labels will continue to surface in homes, in conversations, and in most of the tragic headlines that we continue to see today. Thank you for watching NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.